Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want storytelling by title Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Most of us remember Angela's Cinderella as our most favorite character for decades. There are many more fabulous Angel-rising fairy tale featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable Angel-rising imaginary characters live forever in everyone's heart. One such beautiful and attractive girl is Princess Rose. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird is one of the unforgettable fairy tale. The tale of the Princess Rose is here. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long wavy and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the rose. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evening. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing with sweet dream. The bird will begin making the sound saying the beautiful hair of the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them use it to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. While people live peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess, and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing saying the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dream and so worried. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her red hair. The bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, the hair turned beautiful red with usual glow, and totally everyone fell asleep, hearing the lullaby and had sweet dream. Knowing this, the witch called again and now removed all the rose water and petals from the kingdom. Thank you for your watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.